So on the show today, I want to talk to you about the importance of getting started right now. Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back to another show. Going to be talking today about the importance of getting started right now with the MOT Manager software, and also to let you know as well that we're going to be at the Mechanex exhibition down at Sandown Park. We've been doing this exhibition for many years, and we talk about the coiled spring where people, of course, have been locked down and unable to do lots of the things that they would normally be out and about doing. So the return of exhibitions with people mingling together is going to be an exciting prospect. Lots and lots of stands full of information and chances for you to check out lots of different equipment and items relevant to your garage business. So if you're heading down to Mechanex at Sandown Park, we will see you there. So on the show today, I want to talk to you about the importance of getting started right now. So at the time of filming this, we're coming up towards the end of October. Interestingly, September, October and November are the busiest 3 months for us here at MOT Manager for garages getting started. Now, when you're putting a new system in place, you're looking at options in the admin part of the garage. I know you can often think, oh, I'll do that then, so maybe new year, new start becomes a mentality. I would really say don't put this off, because often what happens when you say that, January comes around and you're busy, then it becomes February, and then we start heading on to Easter, and literally a whole year, I kid you not, we had garages pretty much saying they wanted to go ahead 12 months ago, pretty much getting the paperwork completed and getting accounts set up, and then coming back to us here at MOT Manager 1 year later and saying, I've just been so busy, I've had so much going on, and I really wish I'd got started, and that is how quickly time goes by. So if you're interested in getting MOT Manager installed into your garage, we can get this sorted for you right now. And as I've said in previous videos, let us take the stress. Let us carry this for you. You just say you want to get started, get your demo. We'll work with you to get all your team members trained and on board, and you can literally be getting the benefits of MOT Manager instantly. So if you've been umming and ahhing, as garage owners often say, then get in touch, make that first step, and we can do so much for you. Literally, from the point of view saying, let's get started, the team here at MOT Manager, along with myself, can get this up and running for you. This can take your business so far forward, and whilst garages have been reporting being super busy with extra MOTs, there will be the quiet period next year. You cannot have it both ways. You cannot have this exemption creating lots of extra MOTs and not go through that dip. And that is the time when the software will really help you even more than normal, because we'll be able to bring in extra business at a time when you need it. So all you need to do is get started, get in touch with us here at MOT Manager. I want to find out more about you and your brilliant garage business, and let's work together to make it even better. So don't forget that really important message of getting started now. We can get you set up with MOT Manager the same day that you decide you want to get started. We can have you using the system within 24 hours. We can train everybody in your garage business, and that ongoing technical support, because often when people come on board with MOT Manager, there are concerns. If you get stuck a little bit, we are here with you every step of the way. It would be great to meet you in person. So if you're going to be at Sandown Park, or you're toying with the idea of coming to Mechanex, it's a great show. You can spend a few hours there going around the various different stands, and I would love to meet you in person, and some of the MOT Manager team will be down there as well. So get in touch, let's get started right now, and hopefully we'll see you here at Mechanex shortly.